you put that in there? Here you go. Put it in there. Okay, what about this?
Heavy.
It's heavy. Can you get it?
No.
No, you might need some help?
Yeah.
Should we do it together? Let's do it together. You ready? Here we go. What about that? Can you get that last little bit there? Thanks. There you go. You're welcome. And this?
Heavy.
That's not too heavy. I think you can get it. Good job. Okay, and now, here, that's your pajama top.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and look, there are the bottoms.
Didi.
You're welcome.